Hello.
Another weekly walk around.
Yes.
I always say it's Tuesday catch up, but we put it out on a Wednesday. So it's just a weekly walk around.
That will do.
Workshop walk around. Look, there he is, walking around, look. So, let's smash the intro and we shall have a walk around.
Wow. This looks a bit special. Tell me more.
Manifold, bruv.
Yeah.
Sheepey Race inlet manifold. So, just giving the engine a bit of a freshen up, rods and pistons, but it's having this Sheepey Race inlet manifold. So, I'm just matching it up in a minute. I've got a Billet heat exchanger delete to go on, so that's going on. So yeah, we're just fitting this up at the minute because the car's having a new fuel system as well. So whereas the carbon fibre one I got for mine, we had to do some modifying to make it fit. I didn't want to go bolting everything together and then find out I need to modify heads or mounting points or anything like that.
Yeah.
So heads are just sat on at the minute. They're built, they're assembled, but they're just sat on. And I've built it up, all of it, like, so you can see. So you've got billet lowers, the mid runners with the fuel rails, and then the uppers, so it's all together and stable. The joining pieces that join the two manifolds together are ridiculous. So Simon came down last week and saw it, and so what we're going to do is we're going to make some rose joint pieces up to do that. So that should be quite a nice different little look. So that's done. I don't know whether you can quite see around here, Dav, but we've got Wiggins adapters to go on throttle bodies. So we'll modify the turbo, the exits of the charge coolers, so we'll have Wiggins clamps. They're on like 6 weeks back order, but I've got some for mine, so I'm just going to use mine, modify the charge coolers, and then that'll have it. So
nice. So pretty special build then, and that's going on.
Looks Trek.
This one.
Yeah. So he's going big for 2023.
And regular viewers would have seen that before.
Yeah, that's the car we had in
going against the RS3.
Yeah.
On officially gas.
So just a couple of little updates. So it's having complete fuel system, inlet manifold, second gear, Pro Max clutch. Yeah, so we've done quite a bit.
It's going to be a beast.
And then while it was out, we just sort of pulled it to bits, check it over, new rings, new bearings, that sort of thing. Because while it's out, why not?
Yep.
So that's done. That's fine. The wiring loom is out of the Ferrari. So if you come to the middle, and I'll show you there. So we got the loom out.
Oh.
And if I show you why, that is because why.
Oh.
So yeah, so it's out. Measured up. So it was a 2.7 and it's been modified to a 5.2 loom. And when I say 2.7, I mean Motronic. So like, look at it. It's like it's all cut apart. So Hursty, Steve's building me a loom at the minute now, so that's been done, but we're just having problems getting everything, ECUs, but I think we're going to use we can get hold of an M142, so I think I'm just going to run it on M142.
Yep.
MoTeC M130 would have done the job, but even then we can't get one. And British Superbikes and British Supersport, because that's the ECU they use, they're kind of getting priority at the minute. So yeah, loom's out.
Damn those bike races.
Damn those bike races. It's going to have new injectors. We're going away from distributors, or rather multi-coils. We're going to go coil on plug. Yeah, should be good. Just so Steve's on with that at the minute. So that's fine. That's done.
Be good to get that one out of the way.
Yeah. Be sort of. It's just a bit of a slow project, that one.
Yep. As ever, waiting on stuff to come through.
Yeah, pretty much. My bike's out there. So I'm racing in 2 weeks. RS5 is done.
Looking very shiny.
So new plate's just gone on it.
Yeah.
You've got to take some photos and then we can sell it.
Yep.
We've done the Darza engine, so that's fine.
Yep. We have a shiny bright McLaren there.
Yep. I've had I can't even remember what engine that is. I've had an engine turn up. I got a DL800 turned up. That's dropped four-wheel drive shaft, but we've got to figure out why. Something's happened inside. And then I have another box
Oh, it's like every day's Christmas here, isn't it?
It is, mate. So, but what do we think it is, Dab? Oh, it's upside down, mate.
Oh,
It's upside down. Quick, obvious mistake. There we go. Nortins for my car. Nitrons for the Noble.
oh, nice.
So I haven't even opened them because I thought, you know,
Save it for a bit of unboxing.
save it
Goodness.
for the tube.
Well, it's good. There's some progress being made with the Noble then.
Well, I've bought stuff. Don't know whether you can classify that as progress.
I think so. It's collecting things ready.
Ooh,
It's going to go everywhere.
it is going to go everywhere. Let's do that. Let's get rid of that. Let's get rid of that. Go on, mate. You move that one.
Yep. Oh, it's well wrapped.
It is. Alright, here we go. Should look like a damper. Looks like a damper, Dav.
Damper Dav.
Damper
Like
Dav.
me in the rain.
That's alright, isn't it?
That is lovely.
That'd do a job.
Especially when you remember how bad the ones that came off it were.
Yeah. That'd be alright, that, mate.
Very nice.
Yeah. It's got clickies on it.
Are they super expensive?
They're not too bad for what they are. They're cheaper than what we pay for our 8 stuff.
Yeah.
I think £3 plus of that.
Okay.
So cheaper than standard R8 suspension. And considering this is full track,
Gonna say, yeah, look.
so you've got compression, high and low speed, rebound,
Yeah.
height adjustable.
Fully adjustable.
Yeah. Yeah,
Awesome
you can't
stuff.
really knock that.
No.
I'm gonna have to make some clamps, some brackets for those now, aren't I? That's
Yeah.
gonna annoy me. So yeah, I imagine all 4 are the same, pretty much. So there's no point
No, just have a look at
Opening.
one.
all of them. So that's all right.
So talking of the Noble then, we've still got to go and pick up some bits, haven't we?
Yeah. So he's gone. So obviously we're going to DTB,
Yeah.
but they're opposite Matt Armstrong. So we were kind of hoping to, because bless him, he's had a hard time with his Murcielago engine, isn't he?
Yeah.
So we were going to go pop up and say hello, but he's gone to America.
Again.
And we weren't going to do it this week because me and you were supposed to be somewhere today.
Yep.
And that fell flat in its face. Fell flat in its face because of the weather, and have you seen it outside?
Mate, I know.
That's rubbish, that can go in a bin. That's alright. What else, mate? What else? Mitch is just finishing off VOK, which has had a big sort of restoration job on it.
Yep.
So that's had everything.
Needs a little clean at the back now.
Jordan's having it for detailing,
Yeah.
so that's alright. So mate, jump under here. Have a look. Mikey Hardy's bike's in for a problem. So we're trying out
And
Mikey
that's
and
who
Graham
you
out.
sponsor, isn't it?
Yeah, that's
Yep.
young Mikey.
Anything on the dyno coming up?
Nothing.
Nothing.
Well, I've got
exciting?
to tune a couple of cars. I've got a Ferrari 355 coming in on MoTeC. I've got to do.
Okay. So a bit different.
What else? Stars is in the engine room
Yeah.
and other stuff, mate. It's so busy. I don't even know what's going on.
Yeah. That's the thing.
And
Well,
then,
we'll keep trying to fit everything in around, the normal working day.
yeah.
We've got a bunch of videos now ready to upload.
I think we've got some cool stuff coming, haven't
Yeah.
we? So we do all right. We manage.
Yes.
It's just whether it's technical Tuesday or walk around Wednesdays,
Yes.
depending on what happens on the day. But yeah, it's busy.
And then I think we're up to 19,500 subs now.
Yeah,
So
get
anybody
smashing.
can.
Yeah, I tell you what, that's amazing. What did we find the other day? It was like 70% of people who watch our videos don't subscribe, don't they? So do us a favour and subscribe. And what we should do something for 20,000. That's a pretty big deal. we should do a giveaway or something.
We've got some stuff to give away.
We'll see if we can sort something nice out for someone. But
cool.
It's all good.
Right, I think we're caught up.
Right, I'm going for tea.
Get the tea.
See you in a bit.
See you later.
Later.